Good morning students, welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well. So guys, today I am teaching you English literature from your reader book, My English folder. On page 30, there is a poem that is the first poem in your English literature book named Young Poets. The name of the poet is Todd Michael. Todd Michael is a modern poet, or you can say that he is a poet of environment, poet of nature, or he is an activist of environment. Or in other way, you can say that he is an environmentalist. Many words there are. He is an environmentalist. He is an activist, within bracket, environment. So, here the poem it is written in a form of couplets. Couplets mean not cup and saucer. Form of couplets means pair of lines. You open the notebook, note down the spelling of couplets. C-O-U-P-L-E-T-S. C-O-U-P-L-E-T-S, couplets. So the poem is written in form of couplets, that means pair of lines, two lines. So total 9 couplets are there in the poem, that means 18 lines, and last line only single. There is no pair. So I am going to read the poem before you. Listen carefully. You speak for the lakes, the trees and the birds. You say what they say if they had the words. Make peace, be proud, choose well, every choice. Speak hope and speak loud, you are nature's voice. Speak with respect now for jungles and streams. Speak for all wildlife and dream giant dreams. Speak with great courage. Speak up and speak out. Write with whisper or write with a shout. Stand up, young poets, for clean air and river. Free verse or lyric, your message delivers. Truth for the future citizens of earth. Speak of your freedom, your friends and self-worth. Speak for tomorrow, and though you are still young, speak for the forest, your pen is her tongue. The world waits to hear your song still unsung. Words possess power, you can right the wrongs. Teach us and lead us with poems and with songs. Speak now for nature, for trees and for birds. Defenders of earth, choose careful your words.